Ever wondered about the magic behind the seamless communication in your 2015 Mercedes-Benz E-Class? The credit goes to the car's CAN network, a complex and sophisticated system that operates at breakneck speeds. The Controller Area Network, or CAN, is a robust vehicle bus standard, designed to allow microcontrollers and devices to communicate with each other's applications without a host computer. It's like the nervous system of the car, transmitting signals and information between different parts of the vehicle. In a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the CAN network operates at two different speeds: high-speed CAN and low-speed CAN. The high-speed CAN, also known as the powertrain CAN, operates at a speed of 500 kilobits per second. This speed is crucial for components that require real-time data, such as the engine control unit, transmission control unit, and the anti-lock braking system. These are the components that need to react instantly to changes, and hence, the high-speed CAN is essential for their operations. On the other hand, the low-speed CAN, also known as the body CAN, operates at a speed of 125 kilobits per second. This network handles components that don't require real-time data, such as the door locks, windows, seats, and the climate control system. These components can afford to wait a fraction of a second longer for their commands, and hence, they operate on the slower network. In summary, the CAN network in a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E-Class operates at two speeds. The high-speed network, running at 500 kilobits per second, handles the critical, real-time components of the vehicle, ensuring they react promptly to changes. The low-speed network, operating at 125 kilobits per second, manages the less time-critical functions of the car, providing a balance between speed and efficiency. This clever division of labor ensures the smooth and efficient functioning of your Mercedes, offering you a driving experience like none other. So the next time you slide into your 2015 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, remember the intricate network operating at lightning speeds beneath the surface, making every ride a masterpiece of engineering.